Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be retouching or relaxing hair. The hair is already relaxed, like it's not natural, so we'll be relaxing the hair. And as you can see, we are using the olive oil. We're using the olive oil relaxer. So this comes in the pack. We have the part A and the part B. It comes with shampoo and then mayonnaise, hair mayonnaise. So we'll be mixing both the part A and the part B in a container. So this is the process. Because her hair is not much, so I just used one of each, one of part A and then one of part B. Sorry guys, I have a cold, but I need to put up this video, so I have to do what I have to do. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. So after putting the part 1A and 2B in the container, you just have to mix it thoroughly. You just have to mix it so that you cannot differentiate between two products. Get me? So moving on, make sure your hair you'll be working on is detangled. So it's either use your hand, like your fingers, or a comb to detangle the hair. Now, I just wanted you guys to see the base of the hair, the new growth she had. But I don't think it was focused enough. So this is shea butter. I'm going to use it around the perimeters of the hair. This is just to serve as a barrier so that the product doesn't irritate her skin. So basically that is it. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing. I then proceeded to section the hair into 4 parts. This is just to help with the application and then help the product get to the root of the hair. It's not anything new, we just want to work in sections, that's all. So starting from the back, you apply the product, the cream, in sections, and you will notice that I'm not applying it to the full hair, like the full strand. I'm just trying to focus on the roots because that is where we have the new growth. Please, do we understand? So yes, that's what I'll be doing throughout the video. We just want to apply it at the base or the root of the hair where we see the new growth. We just want the new growth to be relaxed, and that is all we want. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes. So we are taking as little as we can so that the product would be incorporated into the hair. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, 1,000,000 miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life So if you're new on this channel, if this is the first video you are seeing, thanks for stopping by, thanks for clicking on the video. I hope you like it here. Please don't make it your last, okay? We do great stuff here. So kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I upload a new video, you are sent an alert so you could watch. And for those of you who have been here, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So I'm going back to apply some of the products on the hair again. Yeah, and then we are moving to the front part. That's the same process we'd be doing here.
Start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So not all hairs are the same, okay? Some are heavy, some are light, some are longer, some are short, some are more dense, others are not. And then every scalp is also different. So you would want to work fast as you can, okay? So that, and the products are also different. So you would want to work fast so the product doesn't irritate your clients or whoever you are doing it for. Like, you don't want to irritate their scalp. So you see my client squeezing her face just because of the new growth. It's a bit painful for her. That's why she makes her face like that when I'm trying to part the hair.
Ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Are you learning a thing or two? Are you enjoying the video? Please like the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. So put everything in the comment section, okay? You could also share this video so that people would watch. Thank you.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
So I just went over the back. Now I made it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I proceeded to washing off the product from her hair. I then used the shampoo it came with to shampoo her hair. You could shampoo it once, twice, thrice, depending on the situation. So I just did it once. Yeah. And please do not scratch the scalp, because the scalp is as sensitive at this point. So I also proceeded to use the mayonnaise it came with, and then apply it on the hair. And I also used a cap, rubber cap, on her hair after applying the mayonnaise so that it could marinate. I think it's a sort of protein treatment, so you want it to sit on the hair in the scalp for some time. Yeah, so I think I did it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then I washed it off. You could see the hair is really relaxed at the roots where it is needed. I proceeded to combine it, and then I put on the rubber cap so that it will marinate. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, we washed the hair, and yeah, that was basically it. So we are about to blow dry the hair, but before that, I used shea butter, and this cream is really good. It's called Chapter 2000. So I mixed the two, and I used it on the scalp and the strands of the hair before I blow dry the hair. I then proceeded to section the hair. I love doing things in section because it becomes easier. So I was blowing out the hair in sections, and yeah, everything turned out well. Turned out nice and good. The texture was what we were going for. We just wanted to relax the roots. And then prior to this relaxer day, I think it's been 3 to 4 months since she relaxed. We are trying to improve on the growth. We are trying to get better treatment for her hair because it's been breaking a lot lately. So we do not want to put loads of chemicals inside. So hence the decision to relax between 3 to 4 months. So this is it. We are done. The hair is looking good and healthy, and we'll continue to share our journey here. Please make sure you like and subscribe. and turn on your post notifications for more videos. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye, guys.